This is a Gemini conversation exported as a PDF in one click. Tables, equations, and images all formatted the way Gemini showed them. Here's how to do it. There are two methods to turn a Gemini chat into a PDF. The first method uses Gemini's Canvas mode. Open a Gemini chat, copy and paste the prompt from the description. Ask Gemini to format the conversation as a canvas. Then turn on Canvas mode and click Submit. Now the content opens in Canvas. Click the print icon at the top of the canvas, choose Save As the destination, then click Save. Your Gemini conversation is now saved as a PDF. That works, but it means switching into Canvas mode every time you export. Now the second method skips Canvas completely. It uses AI Chat to Word, PDF, and Google Docs for Gemini. Install it from the Chrome Web Store. Link is in the description. It exports a Gemini conversation straight into a finished PDF, Word, or Google Docs file. Once it's installed, refresh Gemini. Export buttons appear right inside your Gemini chat. Click PDF. The entire conversation exports with tables, equations, and images. By default, your prompts are included in the export. If you only want Gemini's responses in the document, click the settings icon, check Export Only Gemini Responses, then click PDF again. This document will include only Gemini's responses without your prompts. Want a single response instead of the whole conversation? The export button directly below that response. The same one-click export also works for Word, Google Docs, and Markdown. So the same conversation can become whichever file type you need. Add the extension from the link in the description. And subscribe for more Gemini tutorials.